So in question 5, we're given this integral where a is a constant greater than 1. We need to show that a is equal to this square root expression. So what we need to do here is evaluate this integral. So from a to a cubed of 10 over 2x plus 1. So we can see that this is just going to be a natural log. So if we integrate this, it's going to be 10 times ln 2x plus 1. And then we still need to divide by the derivative of the inside function, so that's a half. So this will be just this. This could also be solved with u sub, but this is just a 1 over x function, which has an integral of ln x. And then we have to still divide by the derivative of the inside function. So it's nothing special, I think. So let's plug in the values. So the 10 and a half just make a 5. So if we plug in a cubed, we have a 5 ln 2a cubed plus 1. And then we will subtract a 5 ln 2a plus 1. And this here is equal to 7. And now we need to evaluate this expression. So we can combine the logarithms. So this will be just the natural log of 2a cubed plus 1 divided by 2a plus 1 is equal to 7. And then we can divide by a 5 and raise both sides to the power of e. So then what we get is 2a cubed plus 1 over 2a plus 1 is equal to e to the 7 over 5. Let's remember that e to the ln something is just that something. So if I raise both sides to the power of e, then we just get this expression. And well, from here, the question wants us to solve for a. And we see that we have a here as well, so that's okay. And it's going to be the cube root. So essentially, we want to solve for this a and then take the cube root. So let's just multiply over with this denominator. So we just get 2a cubed plus 1 is equal to e to the 7 over 5 times 2a plus 1. We can subtract a 1. We can divide by 2. And then, yeah, so this half, the 0.5, the 0.5 is because we have to divide by this half. And then we just take the cube root. So essentially what we have is going to be a is equal to the cube root of 0.5, so a half times e to the 7 over 5 times 2a plus 1 minus a half. And in fact, this is exactly what we had to show. 7 over 5 is 1.4, and a half is 0.5.